Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to review a product which is called as PhotoPayz, as you can see. But before reviewing the product, let me make it very clear that I am going to earn some commissions if you buy the product from the link in the description. So why I'm getting this? I'm getting this because I will promote you to the product creator, to the product means the particular product which is PhotoPayz, and that is why the product creator or the product vendor will incentivize me with some commissions. Okay, without you paying anything extra for the product, he will incentivize me with the purchase you will do on that PhotoPayz app. So with that note, let us start reviewing the product. I will review the product very much in details. Okay, I will give you tons of bonuses from my side if you wanna buy the product from the link which is down below in the description. So as you can see, this is my bonus page. I have briefed about PhotoPayz, and these are my bonuses. There are bundles of bonuses which I will give you if you buy this PhotoPayz from the link in the description. Okay, and I will also show you the PhotoPayz from inside, as you can see right here. So what it does, how it does, everything we will discuss in detail. So let's get started and start reviewing the product. Okay, so let's get started. Hey guys, welcome. So as you can see, the PhotoPayz app, as we are here, the PhotoPayz, if you can see, if you ever googled how to make money online, then this is for you. So if you have ever googled how to make money online, so it is exposed that 3-click secret system which makes us 7.95, which is $8 every time we post a photo on social media like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Snapchat, Instagram, etc. by exploiting an untapped $155 billion platform. So without taking photos, without being on camera, no experience required. Okay, so this is what this PhotoPayz is all about, and we will receive non-stop 200 and so we will receive non-stop 24/7 PayPal money notifications. We pulled over a lot of profit through this one. The more we post photos, the more we earn. 39 beta testers. So beta testers are the people who test a particular product before it launches. So beta testers made $76,000 in the first week. Zero experience required from you. Even an 8th grader can profit using this system. 360 days money back guarantee. So this is insane. You will get a 360 days, 1 complete year to try out this product, and if you do not like the product, you can get a refund out of it. Plus get $200 means in return if you fail to make profit through the system. So they are pretty much confident, very much confident about the product, how this product works. We'll see in details, but before showing you anything extra, let me show you what are the things you will get from my side if you buy this product. Okay, so this is my bonus page. As you can see, this is my bonus page particularly for PhotoPayz, and we'll discuss about the timer. I have briefed about PhotoPayz a little bit. As you can see, this is the funnel of this system, and here the bonus number 1, 2, 3. I have combinedly gave 3 bonuses for everyone, and all of these bonuses are insane in itself, because all these bonuses will include before showing you the bonuses, let me tell you that PhotoPayz is a kind of a system through which you will make money by posting photos, and the best way to post a photo is to provide a link so that a particular person can buy something from that link, and you will get to make money through it. Means if you post something on any of the platforms, social media platforms, and if you provide a link behind or below this, then people will go on that link, and if they wanna, suppose if you are posting a photo regarding to cat, okay, you posted a very cute cat photo and people are liking the cat picture, which means there is a very much possibility that they have a cat of themselves at their home. So you can promote cat food or cat there are a lot of things which are usually required by cat owners, like the cat spraying problem. If they have a cat spraying problem, you can promote a product which will solve the cat spraying problem of them. Or you can promote a cat house, or the container in which the cat eats, or the cat where poops. Okay, so there are a lot of things regarding to a particular pet or anything. When you post any photo, anything online, then you can promote a tremendous amount of things behind that. Okay, so that means that procedure is called as affiliate marketing, and I am telling you to you can create means tremendous amount of money, tremendous amount of cash through affiliate marketing. And to have knowledge of affiliate marketing, I am giving you bonus number 1, which is completely based on affiliate marketing. Everything you will learn in details, how to promote anything, what is the proper way to promote things to anyone. Okay, you cannot directly randomly go anywhere and start promoting anything. You have to have a proper step, a proper guide of how to promote things. That is what I will give you. I will show you how to promote things online, what is the proper way of doing that. Okay, and that is what my bonus number is all about. As you can see right here, $1 million toolbox, 6-figure influx, $200 cashback, commission blueprint, $300 CP every day, pure profits, and there are 16 affiliate marketing courses, top 16 affiliate marketing courses, as you can see, which will be very much helpful, very much useful for you if you go buying the product which is called as PhotoPayz. Okay, all you need to do is simply click on this button, this yellow button, and you will land on the PhotoPayz app sales page. In the sales page, what you need to do is simply grab the PhotoPayz and all the bonuses will be transferred to your account. Okay, this was the only bonus number 1 which I'm going to give you. The bonus number 2 which I'm going to give you is called the backbone of affiliate marketing, which is without which affiliate marketing will be a very tough job. That thing is called as traffic or visitors or customers who will buy your product. Okay, how to get those customers, how to promote things to those customers, how to search for those customers, how to promote the right way, everything you will learn in the bonus number 2. Okay, the bonus number 2, as you can see, which is called as there are 6 traffic courses, traffic or visitors or customers, whatever you call it. The Fuego breakout, the clones, Fuego multiplier, bang profits, 0-hour workdays, incognito, all of these are proper methodologies or proper methods of how you will promote things or how you will get the customers. Not promote things, but how will you get the customers to your products. Okay, so this is the bonus number 2, and my bonuses have not ended yet. There is another bonus which is bonus number 3, and the bonus number 3 consists of money making courses, money making trainings. It will teach you how to do money making the proper way. Okay, so as you can see right here, the money making, how to make money online, 0-hour work days, $0 to $100 in 24 hours, the breakthrough, El Bandito, Profit Factory, Secret Weapon, Mobile, Lost Code, Easy Passive PDs, all of these are tremendous amount of knowledge regarding to making money online. So I hope you will learn and love a lot from these bonuses. All you need to do is simply click on any of these yellow buttons when you land on this page, and to get on to this page, you have to click the link in the description of this video. Okay. After this, click on any of these yellow buttons which states click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. You will land on the PhotoPayz the sales page. From here, if you get on to PhotoPayz, then all the bonuses will be transferred to your account directly. But there is one catch. That catch is, if you want to buy this product, then all you need to do is simply come before this timer hits 0. This is the time from which I am recording this video. So kindly grab this before the timer hits 0, because after it hits 0, I do not know and I cannot guarantee that you will get these bonuses from me, because it may be possible that these bonuses will not right now before the timer hits 0. It is my responsibility. But after that, I will be free, and that will not be my responsibility to get the bonuses to you. The process is automatic. I have arranged everything before the timer is 0. But after the timer is 0, I will not take on the charge to get the bonuses to you. Okay, it is your fortune if you get those bonuses or not. But so what the purpose of everything is, kindly grab this before this timer hits 0. Okay. Kindly commit before the timer is 0. Otherwise, as you can see, this is my sales page, this is my bonus page. Otherwise, if you come on after the summer is 0, then I cannot guarantee about the bonuses. Okay, so this was all about my bonuses. Now let us see a little bit more about this product, which is called as PhotoPayz. We have learned a little bit. So this is an amazing of getting $407 free PayPal money in 2 hours. So how this magic works, how it does. PayPal balance of, as you can see, 12,593. Does this work for beginners too? Well, we are also curious about this question, so we invited a group of ordinary people just like you and handed them PhotoPayz with zero technical knowledge, zero experience, and have not made a single penny online. And guess what? Just after getting the copy of PhotoPayz, every single of them made money of at least $100 in the first day. Okay. These are some results, and all you need to do after getting the product is simply log in, access PhotoPayz dashboard. Step 2 is post, hit the post button, and step 3 is earn. Enjoy daily deposits of cash to our PayPal account or to your PayPal account. But the process, I must say, is not that simple. You have to put on the hard work. This is what the methodology of selling something, selling a product, software, whatever you call it. But after you get the product, you can see that you have to work on regularly. You have to work pretty much, you have to give on time before this product works or start getting worked. Because on the first day, if anything was so simple to get on $100 to earn $100 on the first day, then this kind of a software will means just changes the market, and the making money is not that much simple. Okay, in simple terms, making money requires time, requires hard work, and then only you can make money. But this is not the case that you will not ever gonna make money through it. Definitely every process works if you put on the amount of work that it required to make, or that it requires to make that amount of money. Okay, on day 2, PayPal is $187. Okay, so there are a lot of things people are making, as you can see right here. And there are a lot of things, as you can see right here, and you can read it at your leisure. Everything you will see. If you click the link in the description, you will land on my bonus page. From here, click on any of these yellow buttons and you will land on this page. From here, you can see everything, but they are saying about the product, everything in details. Now let us see. I'm not gonna waste any more time on this sales page. And now let us see the product from inside, how this product is. Okay, so this is the interior of PhotoPayz. As you can see, this is the dashboard. One side, 4 banners, how much it does, and photo sites, get paid, how to get the traffic, design a banner, tutorial videos, support, help desk, settings. So let us go with the tutorials first. There are enough tutorials to make you understand about the product in deep or not. So free gift, and how to set up PhotoPayz traffic, PhotoPayz done for you, PhotoPayz banner design and editing, PhotoPayz automation. So there are a lot of things and a lot of tutorials to teach you this product in details, I guess. And there are photo sites, create photo sites. As you can see, photo sites, you can create photo sites, you can manage your photo sites, get paid. To get paid, you can post photos, banner ads, post on social media, Google ads. Okay, traffic, how to get the traffic, banner designing, tutorial, support, help desk, upgrade, settings, in settings, you're going to get general settings, social icons, and a lot of things. Okay, so I guess this product is clear to you, and you can, I'm not gonna get into means everything in details right here, because otherwise it will not be okay. So this is it about the product. Now let me show you about the funnels that it has in its sales funnel. So this is the sales funnel of this product. What is a funnel? So what you are seeing right here is PhotoPayz is the front end product only, which is of $19. Okay, but I will show you a way of how to get it at $17 and get a $2 discount. But the thing is, you will get to see the front end product. After that, there are a lot of back end products as well. What they does, they enhances the performance of the previous product. Okay, like there is PhotoPay OTO one time offer. One OTO means one time offers. So they will be offered once and for all, and you will not be offered this again. And they have pretty much a lot of features in addition to the front end product. Okay, the OTO 1 will have different features, OTO 2 will have different features, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all of these have different features in itself, and you can get to know about them when you land on the particular page. Like when you buy the front end product, then you will be headed on to the OTO 1, where you will read everything about OTO 1, and if you choose to go for the product, if you do not choose to go for the product, it is completely your choice. After that, you will go to the OTO 2, OTO 3, OTO 4, likewise to the OTO 7. After that, you will get your bonuses from me, and you will get to enjoy your upgrades or the front end product, whatever you call it, or whatever you brought. Okay, so I guess this is it about the product. And kindly, as a friendly reminder, let me show you my bonuses. The bonus number 1 which I'm going to give you is this 16 affiliate marketing courses. The bonus number 2 which I'm going to give you is 6 traffic courses, and bonus number 3 will be 9 money making courses. All of these will be yours completely for free, and before this timer hits 0. Okay, before this timer hits 0, kindly consider enjoying the product. Okay, so this is it about this video. I guess you got knowledge about this product, which is PhotoPayz. If you have any query about the product or my bonuses, kindly comment in the section down below. I will definitely reply you with any query that you have. And I create videos of this sort of, and I create videos which about the product which come out on marketplaces every single day or every single week. So kindly consider liking this video, subscribing to the channel, share the press the bell icon, and I will meet you on the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.